Hello everyone, we are back with a new fun coding video. So let's say you receive a text or a report assignment, or even downloaded an article which you are very much interested in, maybe one or two of the graphs or chart or table in it, and you still want to edit these tables to be able to reuse them. You can do this in a manner of steps by using the Python library called the PDF to docs. So first we would have to import the PDF to docs. So we will say from PDF to docs. Import converter. So this is the main function we are going to use to convert our PDF document. The next thing we need to do is to, let's say, create a converter object using a PDF. So just the PDF file you have, you can also use that. With this, we will just still use this object. I have saved my PDF as input, so that's what I'm going to use. And we can also create an output file called a word file. We'll call it a file. This we will also call it, this will be output and this will be input.